When the Swedish Transport Administration commissioned 2 ventilation towers for Norra Länken, one of Northern Europe's largest road tunnel projects in the capital Stockholm, their location in the National City Park demanded a design that took careful account of the park environment. The decision was taken early on to build the towers in wood, in a move that challenged accepted notions about what such technical functions should look like. The job of the towers is to draw air out from the Norra Länken road tunnels, to reduce emission levels at the mouth of the tunnels. The triangular shape of the towers is the result of tests to optimize the aerodynamic design. The towers are 20 meters tall, and the super triangular plane twists 60 degrees along its own axis. The production process is an interesting example of just what is possible using the file-to-factory method, where digital files from the architect's office are immediately translated into the manufacture of the building components using digital CNC milling technology. CLT panels made from solid spruce were cut out and then stacked to create the twisted shape. The towers thus have a solid wood frame. Finally, the towers were fixed together using vertical steel ties, which were fitted with springs to stop the structure falling apart as the wood moved. The wooden towers for Norra Länken were designed by the Rundqvist architects and completed in 2014. They were nominated for the Swedish Wood Award in 2016.